त्यो पारिपट्टि त्यो गोर्खा होइन? ठिक छ। ए त्यो डाँडो गोर्खा होइन यतापट्टिको चाहिँ गोर्खा होइन र? ठिक छ। दिस इज सलेन्टार। आई लाइक इट सो मच। त्यो के रुख हो त्यो? रुख पनि यार एउटा झार छैन त। त्यो मान्छे गइरहेछ त डनहरू। आई लाइक दिस प्लेस सो मच। झिमाल पनि रहेछ नि। के हो? माछा पुछ्रे के हो यो? मकाले के हो यो? ए दिस वान आई लाइक इट सो गुड। अहिले बस्ती पनि रहेछ। बुढाहरू हेरिरहेछ। गएर हान्न भन्न मिलेन होइन? के गर्नु? आई लाइक के यो भाडा जस्तो? अच्छा ठिक छ। ओ भाले यस्तो सुकुटी बनाएर खान पाएँ। त्यो चाहिँ हामी बुढी खाऊँ न। ल्याउ बुढी ल्याउ। के गर्नु अब? यो नयाँ बनाएको हो भूकम्प चाहिँ। ठिक छ। अनि माथि ढलान बजेट। के को रुख हो यो? आँपको रुख हो? चिने भने त्यही त हो अब। आई लाइक दिस प्लेसेस। यो घुम्न चाहिँ एकदम मजा हुने रहेछ क्या यो ठाउँ। हेर्नु भएको रहेछ। नमस्कार। आरामै हुनुहुन्छ? मेरो फुर्सद छैन है। पछि भेटौँला। बाख्रो कुन चाहिँ अब अर्को दसैँमा त होला नि। चट्टे बाली बाँचे चाहिँ छैन। अर्को पालि सिद्धिन्छस्। त्यो जङ्गल छिरी हुन्छ क्या भागेर। लाइक दिस ट्री सो मच। बिजुलीको पोल। Such a beautiful God created. Jesus, the God, He created this all. For 1,000 years. For me, for God, it is one day. But for human being, it is for thousands years. That if they exist in that period of time. Oh, पुतली यता आऊ। झुसे होइन यो? के हो यो? मस्टर्ड प्लान्ट। या पढ्या हो अब पढ्न त। झुक्से त अर्कै छ नि यहाँ त। होइन मैले त्यस्तो होइन। एकचोटि राउन्ड हानौँ है। आई एम इन दिस प्लेसेस नाउ। Me, Amol. Look at the tree. Now that is the beauty. It's differentiated now. That's one. I think that's. It's not that. I think look. I have some explanations about that. What is this? Kodo? Kodo, है? कहिले खाने हो त्यो? खाने बेला भएन? लाइक भोलि चाहिँ अब पौडी खेल्न जानु पर्यो एकचोटि खोलामा। अस्ति नै त्यति एक्सपिरियन्स थिएन खेल्दाखेरि। ठिक छ। केटाहरू के हो त्यो? पानी पर्यो बान्दा रे। Whoa, look at the tree. The structure of tree. Now, who planted this structure? I mean, who designed that structure? God. It's a God. Jesus created it. God loved this world so much that He gave Son, Jesus Christ. And He walked in Jerusalem. He walked in each and everywhere. Now He's especially walking behind me. With me He's walking in my right side. And Jesus confronted me to see His creation. This is the reason God loved this world, Rather than God loved these things that is created, God loved the human. Now look at that human coming. I think this woman is here local. Now this is the road. Just भर्खर बनाएको रहेछ यो. पहिला म आउँदा थिएन. She smiled at me. Good. Now God loved that things, He loved it so much. So this is the reason why God did not destroy it. I asked God, why don't you destroy it, God? Finish it, all that you have created. The end will come. But when I look at these things, God creation, I pray, God, don't destroy it. Let it go furthermore and more. Every generation needs to see these things. Everyone needs to be accommodated in this place. Pass. I don't know where I'm walking, but I'm walking somewhere. Now this is the living standard of these people. From I don't know where this, but this right here, this is Solentar. I'm in Solentar. Now why I am here, I do not know. But the purpose of God. Now the reason I am here is to see the creation and to understand the purpose of God, why He created these all things, in order that you may dwell in this very land. The most significant and good thing that I like in this places is human. I have seen so much beautiful tree here. I have seen the tree. I've seen the way. I have seen here the people, how they are living. And look at this road. It has its own beautiness, though it is not peace now. The beauty of this road is everlasting. Now look at this tree in the road. Now look at these branches. Now I am walking in Solentar. Look at this kodo. What is called in English? Forget it. I'll remind you if I remember. Look at the tree. Bandar here. Mobile. Oh, look at that. Look at that man is coming over right there. I think he is a farmer. Look at this way. There is a two-way. I'm going in this way. I'm going. I think this is a local in here. Okay. So I think for water is good. Now I have come into my end where I am supposed to play a game here at Karim, but I am playing a grab. No, the auntie is here. Here is also local. Now look at this tree. I'll show you another tree. Look at this structure. Now God is showing me this tree in order that I may understand the purpose of God's creation. Everything that I am seeing in this video and everything that I am seeing right now here is totally amazing. Look at the sun, God creation. It is also good. Okay, I'm going to end up right here, right now. Look at the chicken. Sorry, cock. Hen, chicken. Tandoori meat. I like the tandoori so much. Auntie, how are you? Ah, the living standard of this. The living standard. This is. Oh, भाले. यसलाई चप्प खान पाएँ कति मिठो हुन्थ्यो होला यार पानी आयो मलाई पक्न पक तेरो बाउ मै यतै चाहिँ भालु भाले look at the trees good यहाँ बाघ पनि आउँछ ठिक छ हेलो आन्टी के छ हालखबर the beauty of God creation is totally amazing.